Hello and welcome to another episode of Davina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, we are making a really beautiful Punjabi dish which is called Rajma Masala. It's one of my favorites, and this is just kidney beans in a nice spicy gravy. So let me tell you a bit about Rajma. Now, most people might have thought it was India who brought it to Mexico, but it was actually the other way around, as it turns out. Mexico's the first one to bring the kidney bean across to India, and from then on, it has remained a staple in the Indian cuisine. So, unlike Mexican cuisine, rajma is not a side dish, but rather a delicious main dish with the use of various aromatic spices. Rajma masala is best enjoyed with steamed basmati rice, even though a lot of people actually enjoy it with roti. That's me, I'm a roti girly. Okay, let's get straight into the recipe. So to make your rajma, you're going to take around half a cup or around 125 grams of kidney beans or rajma into a pressure cooker. Add salt to that, and then you're going to add some water as well. Now the water, I don't really have a quantity for that. That should just be around 1 inch above the rajma, or enough to submerge it so that it gets a good sort of cook. We're going to bring that to a boil on medium-high heat for around 10 to 20 minutes or around 2 to 4 whistles. Then we're going to reduce it to a simmer until we are ready to use it. Now we're going to go in and prepare our rajma gravy. We are going to heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok or a pan. This one's a vegan recipe. If you want, you can use ghee. Next, you're going to add in some whole spices, and this is what gives your rajma a beautiful flavor. 1 to 2 bay leaves or tej pata, 1 small stick of cinnamon or dalchini, 3 black cardamoms, bari elaichi, and 4 green cardamoms, choti elaichi. And you're also going to be adding in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Now you may tie this up into a little bouquet garni kind of thing. Next, you're going to add in about 1 to 2 red onions chopped, and then saute this until it's fragrant. Onions have to be a little bit more brown in color. Next ingredient you're going to add in is a paste of about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1.5 inches of ginger, and 2 green chilies. Add that straight in, and you're just going to cook that until it's nice and fragrant, golden brown as well. Once that happens, you're going to add in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground coriander or dhania, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground cumin or jeera, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric or haldi, 1 to 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of Rajma Masala, which is just a special mix of masalas for Rajma. Mix your dry spices in well, and then add 3 medium or large size fresh tomatoes pureed. Add a little salt to help that cook faster. Once the oil has risen and the raw smell has vanished, it means your tomatoes are cooked. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Next, you're going to add in the canned tomatoes and do the exact same thing. Now pour your boiled rajma into that. Don't waste any of the water that has been collected with the rajma. Once you're happy with the consistency, you may add in some extra stuff. Like I just added in some extra rajma masala, little bit of salt to taste, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Very important. You're going to add about 2 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves, pudine ke patte, and the same amount, about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, which is dhania ke patte. Mix that all in. Plate your rajma and then garnish that with some coriander leaves, and you're ready to serve. So as I said, rajma is best eaten with steamed rice, but you can have it with like roti. I even have it with toast if I'm going to work in the morning. I just love this recipe. I can't stress how much I do. Please do try it, and I do hope you enjoy.